So this is how you can set up ClickUp for content creators. Hey everyone, welcome to our guide for ClickUp. Today you will learn how to organize as a content creator. So ClickUp is an organizing website where if you have a job or a business, you can go ahead and organize your business for your members. For example, you can set up tasks for them to do and maybe put a set amount of time for them to do their tasks. For examples, in the subject of content creators, you can have editors have their tasks, and you can have your thumbnail makers or whatever a content creator needs. So I'm just going to create a list real quick in our team space, and I'm going to name it for editors. So for example, maybe let's say I'm a content creator and I need editors to edit on my files, on my raw footages. So I can go ahead and add a task and maybe say edit raw footage number one. I can go ahead and assign this to a member. Well, I don't really have a member in my workspace yet, but if you've added them to your workspace, you can go ahead and just simply tap on their name. For example, I'm just going to put my name as an example, and you can assign it to them. And once they're done, they can go ahead and tap on it and tap on complete. And you can even have them make it in progress so you will know in real time that they're doing it, and you're just gonna have to wait for it to be completed. So yeah, ClickUp is very reliable when it comes to businesses. You can keep an eye on your members. You can go ahead and organize it and have tasks for different members. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.